That thing changes so much. What's up everybody, I'm Brian from I1 Tesla and I1 Customs, and I got a brand new Model Y here that I'm wrapping. This is the first brand new Model Y, the Juniper, that I've been wrapping. Got this side done. This is a color flip from 3M. You know, I keep forgetting the name of this stuff, so let me show you the box. It's a super cool color. This is the second one I'm wrapping for him. I wrapped his last Model Y in the very popular color. It changes from purple to green to teal. And now he just picked up this Model Y and got it all torn apart, and most of it done actually. Well, half of it done. You got this whole side, just have this top piece to do. I got the spoiler done, the bottom piece, this side of the bumper. So basically just the driver's side is left. And the mirrors, of course. We already tinted the windows. He actually went on vacation and dropped it off to us, so we have plenty of time to do this. I'm going to show you a couple panels here. Might show you the fender because the fender is new. But if you haven't seen the inside of the frunk, see what's new up front here. This is a little bit more stub nose. I took off the light here and of course the bumper, but things seem to be the same. This shroud's a little different. Obviously the fenders are different. I wrap all the way down to that seam there. Looks very similar, just really just the front end's different. This is plastic now. This used to be aluminum on the other cars. What that is when you're driving and you hit somebody, hopefully you don't, but that will catch their heels and then they'll end up rolling onto the hood instead of underneath the vehicle. It's bad, but you know, you have to have those safety features on there. The cool thing is the headlights are down here now. They actually stay in place, and the bumper's sitting right over here. So the bumper comes off without these in place. And then these are the daytime running lights. So this is all in one piece. Really like this design. A lot easier to disassemble, especially when we have to do the bumper. I'm gonna get going on this side. I'll probably do the fender first. I'll set you guys up so you can see how it goes. Just like that, the fender's done, all trimmed out. Everything's wrapped all the edges on, if that made sense. It looks really clean. Again, I still have to post heat this thing. It's not being picked up till Monday. It is Thursday right now, so I got plenty of time. We're gonna work our way down. And then probably just what's left tomorrow will be the top rails, because I'm gonna take these off. And then the front bumper, which is sitting right over here. Couple hours for that thing, maybe an hour for the other two pieces, and we'll be done. All right, the car is all finished. I'm not outside yet. I want to pull it outside probably tomorrow, and he's picking it up tomorrow on Monday. I just wanted to come over here and get a quick shot of it now. I just ceramic coated it. It looks beautiful. Love the color change, especially under these lights. Kind of curious to see what it's going to be like outside, because that is a huge color shift on screen. That's ridiculous. Really cool color change. Love how the mirrors turned out. Just got to wipe the windows down. We got a lot of stuff in the showroom here. Got a little Cybertruck that I'm making look just like the big one that he has, and then full PPF on this Juniper. And this one I did a long time ago. I have to replace the headlight vinyl, plus we're putting a sunshade inside the vehicle. So let's see what this looks like outside in the sun. Tomorrow's gonna be nice and bright and sunny. I'm curious to see what it's like. Hopefully you are. Finally in the sun. Okay, the sun is over there. I wanted to show you the darker side first. Look at the gold and green flake in that. Hopefully it's showing up on camera well. Gotta wipe the windows down still, but man, that thing changes so much. Look how dark it's getting now, but all the metallic flake is popping out. Especially on top. Look at all that flake and a bug. But man, look at all that. That is so cool. He's gonna love this. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. Do you want it for yours? Because we can do that. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, stay positive. Catch you on the next one.